Okay, so we've worked out how to link text boxes. Now let's look a little bit about how we can change the parameters of text in InDesign, how we can make text look different. Now, unfortunately for you guys, there are really strict rules to follow when it comes to this. So we use one particular typeface for the headline, one particular typeface for the stand first, and one particular typeface for the body text. We also, for the opening of a paragraph, use something called a drop cap. Now, if I've got a text box selected, so in this case, I'm going to select my headline. By the way, I thought let's get away from this forest nonsense and do one about dogs. Much better. I'm a big dog fan. So it says for the love of dogs here. That's my headline, and at the moment it's formatted correctly, actually. So if I click on, you probably already have this expanded, but for some reason I don't. If I click on properties here, I can see a whole bunch of different parameters that I can change about my type. So I can change the color at the top. We'll talk more about color. Color's slightly strange in InDesign later. I can put a stroke on it, which is a line that goes around the outside, but I don't want us to do that. I could change the typeface. It could be made into this or that or what have you. I could change the size of it, make it bigger, make it smaller. The amount of space between each line is adjustable there. I can change the space between each letter here, so I can make it wider or less wide. There are also a bunch of paragraph controls, so I could make it center, left align, right align. I could put an indent on the first line. I could, so for example, if I do that, it's going to indent it slightly. I could put shading and a border and all of this stuff. Basically, almost anything imaginable you can change. But here's the thing. I don't want you to make those changes because magazines tend to have a consistent, what's called a house style, and that includes a typeface. So why am I even showing you this? Well, because I need to show you how to reset stuff if things go wrong. And again, much like we were able to create these master, or apparently now they're called parent pages, which is like a preset that I can apply to any page, I can apply a preset to any text at the click of a button. So the key window that you need to make sure you have open is this one, styles, and there's character styles and paragraph styles. Now I'm going to get paragraph styles open here, and I'm going to click through here, and I've got different options that I've already saved. So I have headline for headline. So click on that. It's like one touch of a button. It's going to be formatted exactly like that. Do it like that. It's going to be formatted exactly like a paragraph, etc. So the stand first, that would make it like a headline, but obviously the one I want is called stand first. And then for the body text, that one is just called paragraph. But you'll notice that there is one called drop cap opener. And for that, I'll need to select the first paragraph and get down here and find drop cap opener. So there we go. And then this is one thing. I'm wondering if I've made a slight mess of things. Don't think so. Interesting. Ah, yeah, it's because I haven't actually changed any of this to the normal paragraph. Yeah, so I need to select everything in here except that first paragraph and make it a normal paragraph, and then take everything here and give it a drop cap opener. So that's obviously not everything you can do with text, but it's a nice intro. And those paragraph styles are incredibly useful to you because they allow you to change the way text looks at the click of a button, and they've all been saved as pre-text.